Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the solutions to the PDF document couldn't be printed error. So the first one that you can do is update your PDF reader. So ensure you are using the latest version because outdated software can cause compatibility issues. You can check for any updates. So most PDF readers like Adobe Acrobat Reader have automatic update features, but here I'm using WPS. So WPS, so you can try to update your PDF reader, or you can also reinstall the software. So if the updates don't resolve the issue, you can try reinstalling the PDF reader. And the second one, you can try to update your printer driver. You can visit the manufacturer's website, download the latest driver for your specific printer model. And you can also uninstall the old driver. So before installing the new one, you need to remove the old one. And you can also try to restart your computer after installing the new driver and restart your system. The third one, you can check the printer settings, the paper size and type, the printer properties. You can review and adjust settings like print quality, color mode, and duplex printing. You can also try to clear the print queue. Sometimes stuck jobs and can prevent printing. So you can clear the queue in the printer settings. And the fourth one, you can try different the PDF readers. So you can, if one reader is causing issue, you can try another one. For example, here I'm using WPS. You can also try the PDF reader online like Google Drive. You can upload your PDF file to Google Drive in here, and then you can try to print it from here. And you can also repair the corrupted PDF. You can use a PDF repair tool and convert, or you can also convert this PDF to another format like Word or image, and you can try to print as image. You can convert the file first into image, and then you can print it as an image. And the last one, you can check for security restriction. You need to ensure that you have the necessary permissions to print the PDF, and also some PDFs with DRMs or digital rights management restriction may limit the printing capabilities. So if none of these solutions work, you can provide more details about your specific situation. Maybe it's your operating system, or maybe the printer model, or there are the error message. So I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.